Hey guys, have you ever felt like your metabolism just isn't working the way it should? No matter what you eat, no matter how much you move, your body just refuses to burn fat the way it used to. It's frustrating, right? I know exactly how that feels because I lived it. For years, I struggled with stubborn weight that wouldn't budge, low energy, and just feeling out of sync with my body. I tried every trick in the book: strict diets, intense workouts, fasting, but nothing seemed to get my metabolism running like it should. It felt like I was stuck in permanent slow mode, watching other people lose weight while I stayed the same. That's when I found MITOLYN. And let me tell you, this supplement changed everything for me. Before I share my experience, I have to warn you. MITOLYN is only available through its official website. And right now, they have an exclusive discount where you can save big and get free shipping on select packages. If you're thinking about trying it, click the link in the description below before the deal runs out. Plus, it's backed by a 90-day money-back guarantee, so you have absolutely nothing to lose. Now let's talk about what happened when I committed to taking MITOLYN for 95 days. Within the first few weeks, I noticed something I wasn't expecting. My energy levels were through the roof. I wasn't dragging through the day anymore, and I actually had the motivation to work out instead of forcing myself to. That's when I knew something was happening inside my body. By week 6, I started seeing real changes. My clothes were fitting better, my face looked slimmer, and I felt lighter and more alive. The best part, I wasn't starving myself or doing extreme cardio. My metabolism was finally doing its job. But the biggest shift happened between days 75 and 95. I had burned off inches of stubborn fat. My body felt more toned than ever, and I could actually see and feel the difference. MITOLYN wasn't just helping me lose weight, it was resetting my metabolism at the core, making my body work efficiently again. Here's the deal. If you're tired of feeling stuck, this could be the breakthrough you need. But consistency is key. That's why I highly recommend getting the 3 or 6 bottle package so you can keep up the progress without interruption. And if you go for the 6 bottle package, you'll get free shipping and 2 bonus guides to help detox your body and develop the right mindset for lasting weight loss. And listen, this is completely risk-free. If you don't see the results you want, MITOLYN comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. That means if you don't love your transformation, you can send it back, even empty bottles, and get every penny refunded. So if you're ready to finally unlock your metabolism, burn stubborn fat, and feel incredible again, click the link in the description below and grab your MITOLYN supply before the special pricing disappears. This could be the best investment you make in yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.